So I have a website here, index.html, and HTML page that contains JavaScript, CSS, and normal HTML. Now, typically, if I have to see what this page is doing or run this page, what I do is click on Run and click on Start Debugging, and this page is opened in a web browser. So as you can see, I have a page here. Now, how can we see this live? So whatever changes we are doing, it will be shown to us live. So to do that, go to your extensions, click on this or click Ctrl+Shift+X. Now search for live server. Now click on this first one by Ritwik Day. This is the one with 43.6 million installs. With this icon, click on install. So now the extension is installed. Now what you can do is go back to your code of index.html. Now we need to open command palette. So the shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+P. Or what you can do is you can go to view and click on command palette, and this command palette will open. Now type live server and click on this live preview start server, and this, as you can see, is shown here. Now let's say we want to change this to my website. So let me write my website here. As you can see, I'm typing here and changes are being reflected live here. So whatever you do will be shown here. And let's say I'll call this item 1 and it is shown here. So this is how you can live preview your changes and make your debugging and testing a lot faster. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.